While I was playing basketball, yes, I was getting ready, but make no mistake about it, I was 150% in with being a Laker and being the best basketball player I could be. In the off season, I was preparing for this life after basketball. But I was a crazy basketball player, much like I am CEO, because when you're trying to prove people wrong, first they said I wouldn't be able to play point guard at 6'9", so I had to prove them wrong. Then they said I couldn't go from the basketball court to the boardroom, and it's been my pleasure proving them wrong again. And so I'm a guy who goes all the way in, and I love doing what I'm doing, but basketball prepared me for the business room, no question about it. You know, if it wasn't for basketball, I don't think I could be the CEO that